That was Emiliano Brunner. He is a famous scientist. He received his academic degree in animal biology in the University La Sapienza in Rome. He is vice-secretary of the Italian Institute of Anthropology. He became doctor with a thesis in paleoneurology. But what is paleoneurology? Paleoneurology is the study of brain evolution by the fossils. It's also the science of relationship of various hominids. Paleoneurological studies based on endocrinal geometry suggested that a spatial dilation of the deep parietal areas was the major morphological difference between modern and non-modern human brains. In our species, the morphogenetic change associated with this parietal bulging was then localized in a very early postnatal period, in a stage which is absent in chimpanzees or in Neanderthals. Paleoneurological evidence suggests that major morphological brain changes in the evolution of the human genus are associated with the parietal areas. The deep parietal cortex has an integrative role, mainly centered on visuospatial integration. Such functions are aimed at coordinating internal and external environment by using the body as interface.
One of these parietal structures are precuneus, a part of the superior parietal lobe forward of the occipital lobe, and the interparietal sulcus located on the lateral surface of the parietal lobe and consist of an oblique and horizontal portion. They present a main node of the brain network. In addition to the precuneus create disturbs to metabolic, functional, and structural areas in the memory that cause the early stage of Alzheimer. These deep parietal areas are also important in the structural node of the human brain organization.
It's difficult to understand the position and the form of precuneus in the studies because it's situated in a difficult part of the brain. But today, with MRI, the magnetic resonance imaging, we know the geometry structure of precuneus that characterizes the form of all the brain. There is also an interesting debate about how modern humans substitute Homo neanderthalensis. The dilatation of the parietal area of the brain is own of modern humans. So a lot of people think that modern humans replaced Homo neanderthalensis thanks to more modern technological innovation and not because of climate change. In fact, some studies demonstrate that humans, chimpanzees and primates have different brain asymmetries, and if we try to connect with lights and dots, the most important parts of the brain of these three kinds of organisms will have the three different figures.